Yeah, the heat's the big story. It's been the story for like the last week. Temperatures once again in the 90s. In fact, those 90s out there now, we achieved for the 9th day so far this year. And that puts us ahead of our tally here of years past. In fact, it ties us with 2020, that up through May 16th, we also had 9 days of 90 degrees or hotter. 2018 had 8. You see 2021 and 2019 were much fewer than that. And when you factor in the dew points, it feels close to the triple-digit mark, but we've got a westerly component to our winds out of the southwest, so that's keeping the dew points a little bit less intense than they would be if they were coming in out of the southeast. So it feels like 99 at Tomball, now 97 in El Campo. Still, by all means, very hot and not pleasant to be outside. As we look across our area, though, Missouri City right now, 94 degrees there. You can see that haze with some high clouds scooting on through as well. Out in Herman Park, not the best afternoon to be out there walking with the dog or taking a jog. Wait till the sun goes down and it gets a little bit cooler out there. 92 degrees so far in downtown, sitting at 93. So for this evening and overnight, temperatures will fall back in the low to mid 70s. We're expecting mainly clear skies, and it'll be warm and muggy through the overnight periods. And the other question that when's the heat going to end? Also, when are we going to see some rain? Not during the work week. We've got bone dry conditions through Friday, but by Saturday, we may get our chances to go up to 30% with a weak boundary that'll try to swing on through and bring us a little bit of some shower activity. Now let's also talk about what's going on, or what could potentially be going on in the tropics. We're about 2 weeks out from the start of hurricane season in the Atlantic. It already started in the Pacific, but here's what's going on now. Nothing, and that's the good news. Take note of that. Satellite imagery not showing anything, but what will start to develop here over Central America is something called a KHOU, or a Central American gyre. What that is a big broad area of low pressure, and sometimes they help to spin out tropical systems either into the southern Gulf of Mexico or into the eastern Pacific. This time around, our long-range models show that that could potentially happen. So we're going to jump out about a week from now to next Monday evening. You can see some development here just off the Yucatan Peninsula that drives north slowly, moves over land, so weakens a bit, and then emerges into the southern Gulf of Mexico. Looks pretty disheveled in a very broad area of low pressure, but this puts us just before Memorial Day weekend, so 10 days out from now. Let's also look at our other long-range model, the European model. That shows development in the southern Gulf, the Bay of Campeche, staying well away from the United States and then fizzling on out, so much far to the south with potential storm development there. Now, it's not unusual to have May storms. In fact, for the last 7 years, we've had development in the Atlantic Basin that had a name, and that was the May systems there that we had 7 in a row. And if we had it this year, that could potentially bring it up to 8. So 2021 last year, Ana developed, and you look all the way back to 2015, we went back to Ana. So we may make it 8 in a row there as we head through the next couple of weeks, and we see how that actually pans out. If we need a name, Alex will be the name there. That's the first name on the 2021 list, and we'll see how that evolves here over the next couple of days. 7-day outlook, though, shows a lot of heat through the rest of the work week. Shower chances, fingers crossed, go up this upcoming weekend. Guys?